Now the second experiment is about DCL and TCL commands. So here we can see the questions and their outputs which I got by running from the SQL command line. So the first question is like create a new user and change the password for the new user. Here for creating new user, we will use the command create user and the username, then identified by the password for that user. So I have created the user. Then I am changing the password to the user like alter user. Then for which user you need to change the password, the username, and identified by the new password. So here I altered the password also. Next, I'm going to log into the new schema and try to access the deposit table. There's already a table named deposit. So from the new user, I'm going to try to access that. You can see here I have entered the credentials. Here you can see it throws an error which lacks create session for the new user which I have created. So here I have to capture that error. I have captured that error in output. The next one is I'm going to go back to the system schema, and I have to grant all permissions like create, select, update, and insert privileges. So for granting create, we have to give grant create session to the username. Then for select, I'm granting grant select on deposit table to the new user which I have created. Then in the same way, instead of select, I'm giving insert and update commands. I've granted all the permissions. Now the fourth question is grant select privileges on table loan table to the new user with grant option. So the same I have did already. There's a table named loan. So I'm granting that select option to the user on loan table. This is the command and I have got the output. Now from that schema, new schema, I'm accessing this table. Select star from system.deposit. Command displays the deposit table's content. You can see it here. Now from the new user schema, I'm going to grant select on deposit table to the another user. So here you can see I have another user called user2. So for that user, I'm granting select on the deposit table to that user. Then I'm going to revoke that grant option, sorry, select options. So for that, you should use revoke select on deposit. Deposit is the table name from user. Username is user 1073 underscore 2. So revoke also succeeded. Then creating a save point. For that, you just need to give save point yes1. Now for deleting the records from table, you should use delete from deposit. Delete from which table you want to delete, the table name you should give here. So I have deleted all the 3 rows which are there in a deposit table. Then we are going to roll back all the changes. So simply we should give rollback. That's it.